Welcome to Attack. In this video, I will tell you that how you can fix sound problems in Samsung phone. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open settings and in search bar search do not disturb mode. So here turn it off. Now move back and now we will click on sounds and vibration. So select sound, then click on system sound theme and select Galaxy. Now move back, click on volume and increase all the volumes. Now in step 3 we will reset phone settings. Go to general management, click on reset and select reset all settings and reset settings. So in this way you can reset your settings. Then in fourth step check any software update. So click on download and install. So you can see that update is ready to install. That one installation is pending in my phone. So I will install it now to fix sound problem in my phone. So after watching complete video you will be able to fix your sound issue on Samsung phone. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.